Even though the Bitcoin price is currently in a downward trend, what most of the people are not looking is formation it is making, round bottom formation known as cup and handle price pattern. And why this pattern is so important, because a cup and handle pattern is considered a bullish continuation pattern. It helps us to identify the perfect buying opportunities. So by saying this, let's jump into the video and look at the chart. So guys, now you can see the Bitcoin USD chart without any drawing, right? We are currently in a downward trend, or I mean the market is currently correcting. But let me add my drawing. Did you notice something? As soon as you can see the drawing, right, you can see the formation here, right, the round bottom formation, which is also known as cup. And the current price drop is forming a really nice handle for our cup. So now you can see, right, the perfect cup and handle pattern. Why this is so important is because this cup and handle pattern is used to identify buying opportunities. And right now the price is making lower lows. Here I have shown you along with the chart the resistance area and the support area. And why I'm actually picking this area as our resistance area is exactly there where I actually drew the line. You can see other price reacting around this particular area. So this area was a very important key area of resistance for Bitcoin price. And if you go from one end to another end, you can see these two ends are the peak of the mountain. That's why this peak area was our key area of resistance. And this round body part is our cup, along with the downward trends what we are making right now with Bitcoin price is our handle. It's making us a nice strong handle. And what we are expecting, the target range, why I'm showing with the target range there is because the target range is actually showing us that we might go around the 9,100 to 9,150 areas. Why I actually drew support area around $9,150 is because you can see in the previous history, price actually tends to react to this particular support area, because last time if you look at this particular area right here, right, price is actually consolidating a short and then going upwards. As soon as it touched this area, the price went back again here. The same, another example, right, it's going upward. So this area was very important area for Bitcoin. And not only that, guys, as soon as the price actually came back, what happened, this area also acted as a really nice support area and price started consolidating around this particular area. And as soon as we broke this area, we went in a downward trend. And you can see here, when the price came above this area, again at this particular area, what happened, the price started consolidating and make higher highs all the time after that. So now currently, even though we are in a downward trend, this pattern is giving us, this cup and handle pattern is showing us that this is still a very bullish, so there's no need to worry about the price drop. So this drop in a price can be utilized to find a perfect entry for the market, right? And for example, let's look here. Right now the Bitcoin price is $9,555. But what we, in the worst case scenario, what we are expecting is to go around this area, right? To bounce back towards our support area and then towards our target range. So this area, what I just highlighted, is our target area. This here particular area of support or target, then this is going to be our really nice indication that we are going back in an upward trend. So this cup and handle actually tells a lot of stories to us, right? You can see people, although people are like panicking right now, we know that this is normal, because this cup and handle formation is signaling that we are in a bullish trend. Not because the price is dropping or we are going upwards, because the price is making a perfect cup and handle pattern formation, guys. That's why. So now what we can do, I actually wanted to show you a short intraday chart of Bitcoin. Let's hide all the drawings. Now let's look at the same chart with 15-minute time frame for intraday trading, right? This is CPR, central pivot range, and I actually use it plenty of time in my videos. And for those who are not sure what this CPR is, you can watch my previous video. I have done plenty of video regarding this one particular indicator, central pivot range. And yes, now guys, you can see for the short term, you can see that the price is in a downward trend, and that indicated the CPR is also in a downward trend. It's making lower lows altogether from here, right? This was a bullish trend where we had CPR making higher highs all the time, and since this area where the CPR got very tightened. It's a wider CPR, the 3 lines. It's a tighter CPR. What happened? The price actually started in a downward trend. And it also indicated us that the price is, or it might go in a downward trend because the CPR was also making lower lows. And now we are currently here. So what we are expecting is, let me show you a short example, right? So the tomorrow day pivots. So this is going to be our, so this area, this here is going to be our tomorrow's CPR area, right? Tomorrow's CPR area, this area. So why I'm drawing this particular area is because I want the price to get gravitated around this particular area. So we are here. And what does Bitcoin need to change the trend? What we are currently at is it must close the day above this CPR area, So this is very important if Bitcoin wants to change the trend of the market. It has to close the day above the CPR area or the resistance area, R1, this area. This is very important for Bitcoin at this current stage. So if you are looking to enter or exit the market in a short period of time, guys, wait for Bitcoin to go above the CPR area, and then you can look where your target is going to be. For example, this here is our first target if the price actually goes above the CPR area. This R1 is our first target. This is our today's support area, right? Support 2 area. This red line is our support 1 area, and this is our support 3 area. What we can also see is that the price may be going even below and testing this support area, since we are already in a downward trend. But what is important is if the Bitcoin wants to change the trend of the market, then it should close the day above the CPR area. So this is very important for those who are looking for either going short or long at this current market cycle, right? So guys, this is a small overview of how I actually like to look into market, right? In longer perspective and in shorter perspective, both, and comparing those, I get a pretty good result. And I guess I was able to help you guys as well. And guys, if so, please don't forget to smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button. My name is Anup. I'll be bringing more videos in the coming days. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.